Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randacia, or Randy for short, and I make budgeting, planning, and organization videos. So if that interests you, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload next. Okay, so we are going to be flipping through these happy notes. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I just did a haul of what I got for the spring release. I won't be doing that haul here on YouTube. I'll just be doing the flip throughs of everything I got. So if you want to see that, then head over to Instagram and check out my hauls highlight, and it's all there. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to start with this happy notes right here, and I'm just going to be doing the happy notes in this video. So this right here is a happy notes that I picked up, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this watercolor cover with the gold foiling of the leaves on the front, and it says "Make it happen today." And then the discs are mini discs, and they're like a clear pink. The clear pink aren't my favorite, but on this happy notes, it does make the happy notes pop. So I do like it on this happy notes. So we're just gonna open it up. And again, more with the watercolor. And this divider, each happy notes is gonna come with 3 dividers, and I'm gonna show you the front and back and the paper that came with each. So this one says, "Great things are going to happen." And then here's the back. And then each happy notes has one like style of paper. And this one, I'll take it out for you guys so you can kind of like see it clearly. This has like the leaves on the side, and all of the paper is purple, and it is a dotted lined paper. So I'll stick that back in there, and then I'll show you the other dividers. It says, "Remember why you started." Here's the back. I just love the watercolor in this. And this one says, "Don't stop until you're proud." And there's the back of that one. I'll show you the back cover and then the back cover. So I typically pick up happy notes just for the covers. And I mean, it's like the way I think about it is I forget how much these are retail when you pick them up from the store. I think they're like $10 or something like that. But if you get them 50% off or catch a sale or of some kind, but if you get them for 50% off, I think of it as for $5-ish, and $5 and some change, you're getting a cover, you're getting a set of mini discs, and you're getting a pack of paper. Let me get some scissors to cut this off. Okay, so what I was saying is the way I look at it is if you catch these for 50% off the happy notes, you get a set of covers that are interchangeable, that you can have it on this side or on this side. And you get a set of mini discs, and you get 3 dividers, and then 60 sheets, I believe, in each happy notes for like $5. And whereas I think just a pack of fill paper can sometimes run you $5 alone. So that's the reason why I pick up happy notes. I just do it for all the reasons that I just stated, but mostly it's the covers, because I typically don't too much care for the dividers. But I'm mostly speaking from the wrong happy notes that I picked up before, just because I don't know, I don't like those as much as the ones that's in the wrong planners, if that makes sense. But anyways, back to the flip through. This one is, I don't know the name of these, I'm so sorry, but I mean, they're pretty unique, so they're easy to pick out in the stores or online on the Happy Planner site. So this one, I really love this cover. It has the gold foil and it has the astrology signs. I absolutely love astrology signs. I love the compatibility test between the signs, and I just like to read them for fun. So like for romance, for friendships, for business, things like that. So I'm not really into horoscopes and things like that, but from time to time, I do read them just for fun. I don't really put too much, stock into it, but I don't know, I just love this aesthetic. So when it comes to like astrology and stuff like that, I will probably put this happy notes with the like stargazer line. But unlike the stargazer line, I like this that came in the stargazer line. So let me correct myself. In the stargazer line, I like the astrology more than the gemstones because I'm just not into the gemstones, but I think they're cute and everything. But I like more the astrology is more the aesthetic that I like in the stargazer line. This is the inside as you saw before, and this divider says we all have our time to shine. And I really do like this divider. And I think that's some kind of moth or something. And then all of the paper looks like this. I'll take it off so you can see it clearly. So this color is like a burgundy color, and it's really pretty. I absolutely love burgundy, so I will be using this paper. Typically, I don't like when there's like designs on the paper because I feel like it takes up space, and I usually write a lot, but I mean, at this point, I have so much paper that it's just, I can use another paper when I feel like journaling a lot. So doesn't matter. This one says stay in your magic. That one is cute. It's like a burnt orange ombre type of divider. And this one, I do like that. That is cute. Oh, and I forgot to say the lines are dotted lined. And then this one says believe in your sparkle. And there's the back. That one is super cute. And then the back of this one, back cover, and then the back cover. So the back of this one doesn't have the gold foiling like the front. Yeah, because this one, it doesn't, only the astrology and the circles are gold foil, but there are like white specks in the background. So it's just the white specks in the background. There's no gold foiling on the back. So this one I thought was super cute. The next one we're going to do is the Boss Babe. Once I saw this one, I was like, I absolutely must have this cover. So this has, you know, the Wrong Girls Boss Babe in rose gold foil, and then it has like rose gold foils, polka dots all across the cover. And then it has black plastic mini disc. And then in the inside is white with these green lines. And then it says, girl, you're going places. And then this divider, super cute. I feel like, yes, I absolutely love Wrong's like Boss Babe type of illustrations because that is so me. Like this outfit, that's me. I love blazers. I love a good like clutch with some jeans and some flats or heels if I'm feeling fancy. But yeah, this outfit too, a bright blazer. Yes, I just love this divider. And it says, be your own kind of beautiful. Back of that. And then this paper is again dotted lined. And then along the mushrooms or whatever you call it is like a, what is that? A cheetah print? A black cheetah print, or is it leopard? I think a leopard is like the open circles. I don't know. I'm not a huge, like I like animal print, but I don't read too deep into it. So I really don't know the difference in my prints. So, hey. And this one says focus on the now. This one is super cute and I love her outfit. She has a little cutout knees with, oh my gosh, I love this whole full length blazer, or what is that? A duster actually. Yeah, she's giving me all the vibes. And then the black and white stripe. And then this one says, you've got this, babe. And she is, yeah, styling and profiling. Look at the hair. Oh my gosh. If that hair don't have all the body in this world, see? And then the background of this is like a pale green leopard print. This one is actually super cute. And then I'll show you the back cover, just in case you know you want to flip this and make this the front cover of one of your other happy notes. Why you would choose that over the outside, like the actual cover, I have no idea, but to each his own. Okay, That one is super cute. And then the last one we're going to be flipping through is of course, you got to have a bookish Happy Notes in your lineup. I don't care if you bought Happy Notes before or not, but you need at least one of them from the bookish line. They are too cute. So this one, I absolutely love covers with the black background. Black is one of my favorite colors. I feel like at this point I got 17 different favorite colors, but we just gonna keep, rolling with it. But this says okay, because I could not read. That L looked like an E, and I was about to say, the world was hers for the reading. And that's in gold foil, and around the black cover, like the black background, is like gold foiled stars. And the books are Wuthering Heights, Pride and Prejudice, The Jungle Book, Romeo and Juliet, Jane Eyre. I do not know how to say that. Jane Eyre. I think it's Eyre. Anyways, I've been wanting to read that book, but I need to know how to pronounce it first. But anyways, and then there's Peter Pan at the bottom. I really questioned in my haul why they picked The Jungle Book and Peter Pan, given that the Happy Planners audience is majority female. But let me know down in the comments, like, is somebody's favorite book The Jungle Book or Peter Pan? I mean, no judgment. I just really want to know. Do you guys, like, growing up, I'm a Disney fan, and The Jungle Book and Peter Pan were not really touched in my house. Like, I've seen them, but once I watched them, it was just like, can you put back in The Little Mermaid? Can you put back in Beauty and the Beast? And it was just like Peter Pan and The Jungle Book was just over in the corner collecting dust. But anyways, this inside cover is just everything. It is black and white. And I mean, at some point I will be using this as a cover because it is too cute. And then here is the divider. It says, I just want to read books and take naps. So true, especially right now. So I am rereading one of my childhood books, and it is just like, please just give me some hot cocoa, a nice fluffy blanket, and some thick socks, and I am good to go. Let me sit on my chaise and read my book and leave me alone. But anyways, on the mushrooms, you have like this mustard yellow with it's like stars are in the color block. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it is cute as unobtrusive. So, and then the lines are a yellow dotted line. So you really gotta like yellow to want this Happy Notes, or not mind yellow at least. Oh, yes. This girl with her blue hair, I mean, any skin color, whatever, pick your favorite. But this illustration with this blue hair color was one of the reasons why I wanted this Happy Notes. Like, I needed something from the bookish line. So yes, like this blue hair color and I think the green one are my favorite hair colors. It's just, I absolutely needed it once I saw that. And it says, the little things are where we find the most joy. Oh, and she's on the back too. Oh my gosh, you could put your own little quote if you don't like the one on the front. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That's super cute. And then it says, you are so great. In the back of that one. And then show you the inside of the back cover. And I love these rainbow discs. Again, they are plastic and they are mini. And then the back just has the black background with the white stars and then the stack of books again. And oh my gosh, I wish this was smaller, because sometimes it gets in the way of the illustration like it is now. And it's just, like, I love you, Happy Planner, but I need you to be a little bit smaller so I can use this, as something, I don't know, I don't know. Because sometimes you could put the back cover as your front cover, but you can't do it with this one because the books will be upside down. But I just love this. I love the disc on this. I'm going to have to put this on something else. But first of all, let's just say they have orange disc, and there's orange disc on the Squad Goals Happy planner, I think the 18-month planner. Oh my gosh, if somebody wants to make my day and send me those orange plastic discs in Happy Mail, I would love you forever and ever and ever and ever. I put a ISO, which is a in search of, in the what is it? The Happy Planner Exchange group that I'm in, but no one has responded. So if you have these orange discs from the squad goals, hit me up on Instagram, DM me. Let's try to work something out because yes, I absolutely need those orange discs. But anyways, that is all of the happy notes that I picked up from this spring release. And that's probably all of them that I'm going to pick up. So yeah, I can't wait. Like this cover already, I'm making this my April cover because I absolutely need it. And the disc that I'm going to put on it is just too cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little flip through. And if you want to see more of my videos, again, hit that subscribe button and click the like button if you like this video. And I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye.